Hey, what's up, guys? RFL here, and yes, I have a cool background. Yep, as you can see. But, anyways, I'm gonna be teaching you how to put a punching sound effect in a video. Okay, so first on the iMac. So I'm gonna go there, and I use a Samsung camera, and I'll show you what it looks like. And here's the video. I'm going to be showing it to you.
Cuba, I want to know why you hate me. Because you're just a stupid baby. I'm not a stupid baby. You are a stupid baby. That's it. I'm going to beat you up.
Yeah, but it's a work in progress. But, so I'm gonna go to GarageBand, because that's what I got to use, and I'll have to use this for YouTube. Now they use the punching sound effect for YouTube. So, new project, voice, choose punch sound. It's not a band, it's a sound. Okay, create. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be going here and go to youtube.com. And one comment, I'll check it out later. Well, after the video. Well, there it is. And that's the kind of sound effect I want to hear. Okay, so I'm just gonna play. Well, record, of course. Oh, my bad. Hold on a second. Stay still. There we go. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, my bad. Wait a second. I don't think it heard me. Oh well. But I already did a sound effect already. I already did a sound effect anyway. So, yeah, and, now I'm gonna go to iMovie. Yeah, I already did a punching sound effect already, yeah. So, now, okay, so we just have to wait. This may be so long. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait it all. My bad. Yep. I'm just waiting and stuff. Now I have make space and oh, there we go. Now it's time for me to make this a little bit small. Oh, and there's a video. Now I'm gonna press A or plus. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the video in here. Okay, so I'll have to exit out and yeah, this might take a while. So yeah. And yeah, this may take a while. Okay, oh, there we go. And it's right. It's supposed to be here. Let me just try to find it. And no, oh, there it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it there. So I'm gonna do it here, and we can spend 1,000 years spinning. Sorry, it's still hilarious. And I'm gonna go to here and go to sound. Oh, my bad. Bad. I think this one. Oh, that one's it. And where is that part? Oh, hold on a second. This might take a while.
Oh, stupid baby. That's it. I'm gonna beat you up.
Oh, my bad. I know. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna edit it up for a while and. Hold on a second. My bad. Hold on a second. Well, hold on a second. This might take a while. Well, hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Baby, you are a stupid baby. That's it. I'm gonna beat you up.
Huh. So, yeah. Yep. So. Okay, so. Okay, so. Okay.
Cause you're just a stupid baby. Baby, you are a stupid baby. That's it. I'm gonna beat you up.
Okay. Okay, this is my last time, so. So, yeah, this might take a minute. So, I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I'm finished with it. Now I'm gonna show you it.
Cuba, I want to know why you hate me. Because you're just a stupid baby. I'm not a stupid baby. You are a stupid baby. That's it. I'm going to beat you up. Oh, no, 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 no. And leave me alone. And never talk to me again.
Sorry! Oh, yeah, what do you want? You better not upload that video to you. Stop! Sorry! Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that, people. But, yeah, I sort of edited it. But Leas was annoying me. So, yeah, let me try again. He said I can't upload to YouTube, but it wasn't. I was just gonna show people it. It's very quick.
Because you're just a stupid baby. I'm not a stupid baby. You are a stupid baby. That's it. I'm going to beat you up. Oh, no, 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 no. And leave me alone. And never talk to me again.
So yeah, I sort of edited. So yeah, I put in the sound effect instead of the whole thing. So yeah, that's how to do a sound effect. That's how to do a punching sound effect. So yeah, I just want to show you that. So, well, it's on. So, bye.